Hello guys, so I'll be showing you how to fix the black screen every time you launch the Naruto Storm Connection Mod Manager. So here's the problem. A lot of people have a folder called data_win32 in their game directory, right? So when you try to launch the mod manager with this folder inside of this game, it will cause a crash because that folder is not compatible itself with mod manager. And also, you need to have your game in this format, right? So it needs to be in this location. Program files 86, Steam apps, common, and it needs to be exactly spelled like this in order to look for your root folder. Your root folder needs to be exactly like this. This is your root folder. It needs to be in the Steam apps common location, and it needs to be like this, exactly like that. Spelled exactly like this as well. And you got to run your mod manager as administrator. So you right click, you go to compatibility, and you run as administrator. Now, this folder is going to cause mod manager to crash. So what you need to do, you're going to remove this folder. You're going to remove it, and you're going to put it into a backup folder, right? You're going to put it into a backup folder, right? So this folder here that you have in your directory, you're going to take it out and you're going to put it into a separate folder itself, right? So you create a new folder. You can name it whatever you want to name it, and you just drag it into the folder, right? So this is the model folder that you just removed. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to Mod Manager. You're going to install an NSC mod or any NSC mod that you would like. You click install. It has to be an NSC mod for the Mod Manager. You click it, and once that's applied, you enable the mod, and then you compile mods and launch game. Now, this is going to show up here. It's going to be automatically generated. It's going to be, the folder is going to be called data_win32_mod manager. You click inside, you click data, and it's going to say SPC. You go into your modded data_win32 folder that you just took out of your game directory, click inside, and you're going to copy paste all of these. You copy and you paste it within here. And it's supposed to look like this. So basically, you're dragging all of your files from data_32 into data_win32 mod manager, because mod manager creates its own data_win32, so the compatibility and everything can work hand in hand. So once you launch the game, it will no longer be a black screen because it's reading the your modded files within its own data_32 that is generated itself. So it's going to be like in this format, right? So it's going to generate this folder. You click the open data, and you're going to copy and paste all of your modded folders into this here. So whenever it may be SPC load, UI, sound, skill, RPG, message, effect. You just copy and you paste it here, and it needs to be in a folder, right? Or a separate folder if you can. If you want to only copy and paste SPC and put it here, you can, but that's up to you based off the mod that you downloaded. So moving forward, once that's copy and pasted, right, you're going to click run. Now, yeah, you're going to click run again, click run. And click run once more. You can ignore that. And then the game will launch. As you can see, the data underscore 32 has disappeared because it's been compiled into a single file. As you can see, the mods aren't working. The mods are working. You can see Shisui Trio with Shotgun. That's the mod that I have. So it's working. So remember, this is how you do it. You have to install any NSC mod. You click enable the mod. You click compile mods and launch the game. Do not click anything here yet. Don't touch it. You see the data underscore win 32 underscore mod manager that will pop up. You click inside of that folder. You click inside the data and you see where SPC is located. This is where you're going to copy and paste all your files within the data underscore win 32 folder. You just copy, and you paste it here. And then you click run again, click one again, and then one more time. And then you click run. All right, guys, this is how you make the game work with Mod Manager. And I'm out. See you.